Do a wheelie.
Does it work? No. Overloaded.
Yep.
There's another buggy here.
There's a Dacia.
Let's go now. Shh, don't say a thing.
I'm being shot at.
Get in the Dacia. Come. Come, Deacon.
Fucking hell.
What the fuck?
See him.
Oh, there's a Jeep.
Aw, didn't get to take out his tires.
Dacia sucks going up to Stelvin. Do you want to loot these houses? Find a scope?
Nah, go Stalbar. Or go north of Stalbar. Go along the beach.
It's all looted.
Looted. So yeah, go north of
Yeah.
Stalbar.
Deacon, you heard that?
Blue marker.
Go to blue.
I'll beat you or I'll die. I
We'll
think
race
death
you.
is more likely.
So you want to stop at these houses.
Is that a Jeep? It's blown up? No. It's a fake Jeep. How's it look? Hey?
Well, we're not dead yet, so...
Still not dead.
Oh, 8 times?
Oh, yes.
Did you move blue marker?
Yes.
Yes.
Now I
Cheaters.
can snipe people with my crossbow.
I see a crate.
Go for it.
It's in the water.
Anyone want Tommy gun?
Nah, I got crossbow.
Here comes my scope. This is loose. Even for me. Drive to here and come pick... Well, you might need to save me.
We going to work it?
No.
Just leave
Needs
him
help.
behind. No, I'm not in fight yet.
Oh, you're right.
No, go on the beach, find a boat, then come sit. Use the boat.
Right, but we're looking for a scope.
I'm looking for the crate.
Anyone got an AR for me?
Didn't you ask earlier, like, I want to play crossbow?
Yeah, I want to replace my ump.
You said you were happy with both your weapons.
Then you found an 8 times. Let's check across the road.
Can you just kill like it? Give the 8 times to me.
Are you swimming deep?
Yes. This is very loose. Oh my god, there's guns underneath the crate. This is so shit.
Well outplayed.
Alright, swimming back now.
We're almost done looting.
Do you actually have it 8 times?
Mm-hmm.
You're so dead.
Why? Why get M16 down here?
Okay, coming.
There's not many bullets though. Do you have 556 bullets?
No.
Oh, there's 30 on it. There's a car coming. Vegan, it's coming your way. Alright, come, let's
Alright,
let's go pick up
360 no
Vegan.
scope.
Where's the M16?
In the house?
Which one?
Uh,
Okay, I found it.
Style the fucking game, boys.
Weren't we gonna try to Starbucks earlier? So much equipment.
Do
No
you have any
scope.
556 for me?
I only have 40 spare. And it's my main gun. Vegan, do you need a ride?
No.
We'll come to you anyway.
Need a scope.
Do you need a compensate SR?
Well, I'm not gonna be using my sniper.
Did you loot for a scope yet?
Come here, Deegan.
Check these buildings quickly.
Might get 30 more 556 here for you. In the little shed.
People have been here. Do you want to have a meeting spot
You come meet
in a
us.
circle? Yeah, in a circle.
Come, let's go. There's nothing in there. That Jeep was ahead here somewhere. Let's meet at this guard tower in green. And run in.
It's not in the circle.
Yeah, and run in.
Big shot out.
Where you gonna go?
Go south. Go green direction's fine.
Fuck.
Man, bugs are so much better than cars. Left.
Doing it, mate. I'm doing it.
I can just drive in, don't stop at the watchtower.
Yeah?
Like, just go straight to Starbucks buildings. We got the close range, right?
There's a Jeep
We got-
ahead of us.
Where?
Okay, we're running from here. Car can't go that fast.
Yeah, Deegan. I can come
Straight
here.
ahead. It's 195. There's a car there. So people
already
ran up from that side. Check it behind. Not shooting at us. Anyone got a scope to look at that shit?
Give me a coordinate.
195. Next to the tree. Do you see the Jeep?
I see
Yeah.
the Jeep. I don't see anyone.
Okay. They would have run up the hill from there, I guess, towards the houses.
Fuck, it's far. Do you want to drive around?
No, the car can't go that fast.
Just
Should
like
get-
run down here, run to the road,
Yeah, let's go. We could do
run to
this.
the Jeep. As long as you run along the wall for a bit. Just ignore the buildings.
Car coming. Motorcycle. Buggy.
That's lucky.
Stopping.
Too early.
Solo guy. Yeah, didn't let it stop. Come on, keep going in a circle.
Why was he driving out along there? Must be looking for a teammate.
Oh, they just got the opposite idea of what we have.
Go away from the circle.
Well, we went away from the circle from where we started.
Just about the same distance.
No, it's further.
No, he went further. I
Yeah,
don't
but he's
agree
got a
with
car.
Yeah, we're going a longer route, but we're not further from the circle than we were before. So stay below the road, or south road. Very open here, but
I stay up here.
how many people? 29. Walls almost on us.
Shots 30 degrees northeast. We're in the circle.
Let's go prone somewhere.
Alright, I'm looking north. There's a guy coming north, just out of the circle.
We won't be able to see him. Okay, I see him. I hit him once.
Me too. Someone else is hitting me.
Knocked one.
I got knocked from...
Can I res you?
Yeah, I think the guy is above the ridge.
Knocked a guy.
Come,
I'm coming down.
Just keep running, I'll watch.
Mhm.
If you get to it
just a little bit more.
there, I think you should be alright.
Do you need a med kit?
Nah, I'm good.
Do you have any boosters for me?
Yep.
They're probably getting roast as well. Did you kill your guy, Wacker?
No. Let's go on this other side of this ridge down here. I got no zoom, so I can't really... And I got like no ammo left.
I see him. He's, yeah, Deacon
so
sees him.
Deacon got him.
That was insta-dead, Deacon.
No, that was a not. That was a kill to not.
Like someone's shooting at me.
Shot from... like west, I think? That's shots from down the bottom.
There's also fucking hell.
In this house. I'm healing.
Any ammo?
Haven't checked the other houses, Deacon.
Leave a door open for me.
Oh, we're just in the shed. There's no door.
Do you guys get healing?
Yeah.
I have no boosters, yo.
I can give you one.
Cheers.
So there's lots of shots from south.
Stay here or move to another
Stay
building?
here.
The circle's back up northeast.
Let them shoot each other. There was people from our south that were shooting at me before,
Yeah.
so they might come here.
The people were like all the way down at
Yeah.
green.
Yep. That's right.
How many bullets you got, Wicket? 556.
Like 30.
Okay, that's what I got.
As in, like, I don't even have one full round.
Okay, I'll give you like some.
Okay, let's start crawling in.
We don't know if this house is safe. Do you want to run straight northeast or go more east? Oh, Wicket's already in there. Is there cover where you are, Wicket?
There's people at a tree 30.
.330.
At 30.
That's the direction you're going? Oh, at 30.
Yeah, I saw blood spatter there. I don't know if someone died there.
Was people in the, like, at 105? One guy running to the rock? 105, 120 running to us? Two of them? There's people to my right. One's knocked at 195.
I'm not able to help. If you can get away, work it and hide, that'd be good.
Yeah, you're in cover, Wicket. One died. The other guy died outside of play zone, maybe?
We're pretty much in circle.
There's one down here.
There's another guy with that guy before. Like that guy down the bottom you're shooting at. There's another one with him before.
Oh, I'm in the
To your
circle.
left. 15 north.
You talking to me?
No, I'm looking at Wicked's screen. Not. Yeah, that tree straight ahead. I think he's behind that one now.
Yeah, so
Okay, there's three people left.
Three others.
there's one over there. I don't know where.
Alright. Deacon might be able to. One of you two can see the guy.
Is that
I
a guy
saw.
prone there? No. There's a guy like northeast of me.
Tell me which tree, Shelvin.
Hold on. If you can't. I can't. There.
see
You
guy.
can see him on your screen. Yeah. Oh my.
Fuck, who
He's
shot
dead
me
now.
then?
Heal up, dude.
I hope
Maybe
I'm
two.
in.
I'm scrolling near you, Wicket.
That's
Oh,
me.
that's your drinks. Nice. Throws some grenades down the mountain.
It's a smoke.
There he is.
There, you can see him. Why did you spray?
Knocked one.
I think he, yeah, Wicked, you got the last guy.
Yes,
Nice.
chicken dinner.
Good work.
So tasty.
Yummy, yummy. See?
How do I save
Glad
the
you
entire
played one
game?
more. You know how.
Do I just click save? Because I wanted to not just save the highlights, but the entire game.
Yeah, that's just your normal save.
But it separates
Okay.
it into like little clips.
No. The highlights, if you don't save the highlights, you can save the highlights if you want, but afterwards you can still save the whole game from your normal instant replay.
Ah, okay.
You won't lose the last 20 minutes from your normal replay.